Digital factory is really all about integration. It's integrating both 3D models, whether it's of the factory floor or of the building, along with technologies like Internet of Things and then data migration, where we can pull all of this together so that we can understand what's happening in real time for manufacturing processes on the factory floor. Operational excellence is probably the biggest one, right? We want to be able to do more with less. We want to be able to reduce scrap. We want to be able to optimize the processes. A lot of times we're lagging on those because we're gathering information after things have already occurred. So the goal of this is to be able to gather that information not after it's happened, but while it's happening. If you're looking to modernize and move toward a more digitization of the factory floor, first point is comprehensive assessment. Understand where you're at. Once you understand where you're starting from, what you're lacking or what you have is what your advantages and disadvantages are, now we can define what done looks like. So we want to be able to have clear objectives that we're trying to accomplish. And then really you want to start a pilot project so that we can move that along and begin to use that in a very real way. And really a lot of times the easiest one to focus on is change management. That's a key factor in a lot of these and where a lot of optimization can be found. Some of the tools that Imagine It brings to the table, there's of course the Autodesk tools that we see, such as Factory Design Suite would be a simple one. Being able to model the factory work cells within Inventor, being able to model the building within Revit, and then not just having the building modeled in Revit, but being able to capture as-built with Leica scanners, a lot of these different types of tools, and then really being able to bring that all together.